There are several Mercedes that use this transmission, and you may experience this situation of the gear lever getting stuck. This lever only releases when the engine is running. So you can turn the key, press the brake, and start the engine. If the engine doesn't start, the lever gets stuck. If there's any problem, the car has died and it won't work anymore. Don't put it in park, because if you put it in park, the lever gets stuck, and you and the car get stuck. So if you're somewhere, in the middle of the road, on the street, it gets stuck. You didn't. No, you forgot and the lever got stuck. It doesn't move from that position. Look, turn the key here, look, it doesn't move from that position. You may need the brake. How do you unlock it? Yes, there are many tow trucks who don't know how to do it, and then they try to remove this protection here on the gear lever trim. Break it here, and the right way to do it is easy, but you need to know. And even if you don't do it, it's important that you let them know so you don't run the risk of breaking apart because you simply don't know how to do it. Access to the lock is inside this compartment here, which is the cup holder, right? So we open it, right, this part. Down there, we have the cup holder, which is a rubber, right? Look, you grab it here, look. Just take it out. You take this rubber, the cup holder, and it just fits in. Then you move it up, it releases here. And then here we can access the window. We have it, you can put something to unlock it. And from the moment you put the pen here, look, you will feel it, there is a trigger. It is very light, you don't need to use force or anything, but once you put it in, the lever is loose, look. If you keep it like that, it won't lock anymore. You can take the pen out, you will put it in neutral, you will be able to move the car, but if you put it back in the parking position, even with your foot on the brake, key on, it will lock again. So that's it, look. Put it in that spot, look. It's really light like this, look. Release the lever to put it back. Reverse the path. There's only one position here with the coin holder. Put it in, fit it. It has this little ear here, we put it back. It's assembled.